Now is available at McCarthy Cars. Toyota 2019 white car has daylights, has parking sensors on the front. Car has privacy rear glass. Rear parking sensors. Car has reversing camera. Black leather interior. Car has Bluetooth telephone connection, reversing camera, sat nav, Bluetooth audio, 2-zone climate control, aircon, heated seats, USB and aux, central cup holders, automatic gearbox. Thank you for watching.